Graduates, during your time at AOSR, you've experienced diverse cultures, gained fresh perspectives, and navigated through challenging realities and new possibilities. You've expanded your minds with rigorous academic endeavors and excelled in IB and AP courses. You've explored your world through enriching school trips beyond the classroom. Your diplomatic debating skills put AOSR on the map as a leading international school in Europe. You've served others through fundraising events and honor societies, delighted audiences with your talents in theater productions and concerts, and showed grace and skill in sporting events across Italy, Spain, and Germany. And you've had a lot of fun along the way. Whether your journey began in pre-K or you joined us along the way, each of you are part of AOSR's rich history. You now join the esteemed ranks of AOSR alumni who are positively impacting the world, and soon you will do the same. Courage, determination, integrity, you are the best of an American international education. Congratulations to the AOSR class of 2024.
Ladies and gentlemen, I proudly present to you the graduates of the class of 2024.